Introducing the Harmony Enterprises H60. This high-capacity horizontal baler handles large volumes and has Harmony Enterprises' unsurpassed quality, reliability, and efficiency. The H60 features an automatic wire feeder, an industry exclusive that has made Harmony Enterprises the industry leader for over 35 years. Versatile multiple feed options give you the freedom of a conveyor, cart tipper, skid loader, or simply incorporate the H60 with your existing conveying system. The H60 offers all the features you would expect from a multi-material baler, making extremely dense, mill-ready bales of cardboard, plastic, and non-ferrous metals, reducing shipping and handling costs. The versatile conveyor has a massive feed opening of 42 inches by 54 inches and has a rigid shear bar for processing large materials like Gaylord boxes with ease. An 8-inch cylinder offers smooth processing, and our 20 horsepower motor provides optimum pressure. There is also a hydraulic latch for simplified bale ejection. Our H60 automatic wire feeder is an industry exclusive, cutting down on tying time by over 50% and reducing labor costs. We eliminated the wire guides, getting rid of the #1 complaint with closed-door horizontal balers. This remarkable horizontal baler is suited for the following applications: distribution centers, beverage facilities for redemption, manufacturing facilities, recycling centers, and scrap yards. For more information about the H60, contact Harmony Enterprises for a personal introduction to this revolutionary piece of recycling equipment at 507-886-6666.